Hey, just welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a beer bottle can chiller. If you can see the one that we got right here from this brand, and they do call it the Frosty beer to go. So pretty much all you can do is just put the beer bottle inside, and it will definitely help you guys keep it cool. And if you guys turn on the side, they do provide guys some specs and features that's on here. And if you guys turn on the other side, they also provide guys some more specs and features that's on the pod as well. So they mention how it actually works as a chiller for beer can, chiller options for beer bottle, and also has a built-in can opener. And if you guys can see the one that we got right here is a black color. They do have this available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which ones you prefer. But first I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys open up, here's basically what the product looks like. Let's take it out first. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So the front part right here, we do have the brand logo. And we guys do feel materials on here. It definitely feels like a high quality material. Top over here, we do have a beer bottle opener option. But if you guys take this part out, this part right here allows you guys to put in like a beer bottle inside. And if you guys can see inside, we do have a piece of paper. But if you guys take out this part right here as well. Now you guys have the option to put your beer cans inside. But if you guys take it out, they basically provide guys instruction to teach you guys how to set up product and how to use it. And here is basically what the inside looks like. So for this product, they do recommend that you want to hand wash it. But you see the inside layer right here is vacuum insulated as well. So that way you can definitely keep your drink cold for a really long time. And obviously if it's the first time in the product, you do want to hand wash everything first with some warm soap water before you do use it. But for this test, I do want to put it inside to show you guys what it looks like and how it works first. So first thing I'm going to do is put in your beer can inside. Once you guys do that, you can put this on top and close it back up. Once you guys do that, you can put on the next layer. And then once you guys do that, you guys are basically all set. Unless if you guys want to put on the cover on top. You do have the option as well. So that way your bottle is hidden. And then when you guys are ready to open it, you can take this part out. And then use the top part here to kind of open it up. And when you guys do this, it basically keeps your drink cool inside, which is pretty nice. So I don't have any soda can or beer cans, so I can't show you guys that test. But you definitely do have the option if you guys want to use that option. And when you guys look at the side of the product, they do have this non-slip material on here. So that way when you guys do grip it, it will definitely give you guys a pretty good grip. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we do unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys want to keep like your drinks cold, whether it be like your soda cans, your soda bottle, your beer can or beer bottle. Whatever you guys want to put in here to keep it cool, that is totally up to you guys. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.